Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OnePlus Nord 2T. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, now we can open app. Here you can sign in or add account in order to synchronize other browsers, but I'm gonna do it later. You can also enable or disable data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable them and move to the next step. You can set Edge as default browser or not now if you want to skip that. I'm gonna use it, so let's set as default. And here we can open any website. Our browser works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.